Hi, I'm Mike, CEO of 911 Website Repair. We've repaired over 25,000 websites over the years. We've seen it all, we've heard it all, and I can answer just about any question off the top of my head that you may have. One of the biggest questions is, I'm building my website, I'm going to have an online business, and I'm going to get rich. No, you're not. That's not the way it works. And the reason it usually doesn't work that way is small budgets. A lot of people put money into the website, not enough, but they do put money into building a website, but they never put money into marketing. And being on search engines and being number one on a search engine does not guarantee you traffic. I'm number one for several things, which I get no traffic for whatsoever, ever. So, search engines are not free for getting that traffic. You're competing with people who are spending money. The person who wins is the person that spends the money on marketing and on their ads and on their search engine. If you don't have any money to put into these three aspects of a website, which are probably more important than the website itself, because I've seen horrible websites that are very successful, you need to reconsider your plan. When you budget your website project, you are budgeting for the website and all of that, all the content that it needs. You're budgeting for the security, and you're budgeting for marketing and traffic. And this piece right here is essential. If you're not going to do it, don't spend your money on a website. I know this from experience. My name is Mike, 911 Website Repair, 860-294-2444. Give me a call and we'll discuss it. Thank you.